Wala, I mean, you know, trabaho kasi natin, the day a sports writer or a columnist begins to fear having lawsuits is the day that your career ends. So wag ka na lang
Oh.
magsulat kung may fear ka. But also, fear doesn't mean to say, the absence of fear doesn't mean you can be irresponsible. No. As you see, Paul, hindi na alam mo naman, you read some of my columns and there's due diligence there. Hindi naman tayo basta-basta. I've been a columnist since 1993. That's 32
Mm.
years. That's three
Mhm.
decades. And I've learned from the best. Yung mga editors ko, magagaling. So,
Yep.
we just don't do irresponsible stuff without double checking. Kasi yun ang
Right.
difference ng ano ngayon eh. Yung mga vloggers o yung mga self-provide, nag-produce ng kanilang sariling content. Wala kasing guardrail because who
Mm.
polices them? If you bring out a content, who
Ah.
polices you?